Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you examples of queries on the ShoreZone Flex Site for subsistence resources. We will look at how to identify potential habitat for herring spawns and butter clams. Herring spawns harvest is a traditional subsistence activity where people harvest eggs found on kelp, eelgrass, or rockweed after spawning. It's often called the herring spawn-on-kelp activity. We can identify potential spawning locations using ShoreZone by looking at the presence of rockweed, eelgrass, or canopy kelp bioband. Let's explore Kachemak Bay area. Go to the Layer Query tab, click Build Query. Select rockweed, eelgrass, and canopy kelp bioband. Go to the Execute Query tab. You can see your query in the box. Choose a name and a color for that query, and select that you want at least one of the following conditions. Click Add Layer to run your query. Your potential herring spawn's habitat locations are now highlighted on the map. You can then explore further by zooming in and downloading photos at specific locations. Now let's look at a different example for subsistence. We will search for butter clam potential habitat. This requires 2 steps. Butter clams tend to like semi-protected or protected beaches. They also need sand or a mix of pebble and sand in the lower intertidal zone. Let's look for more protected areas in Prince William Sound for this example. I'll zoom close to Chiniga Island. In the same Create a Query tab, clear the previous query we ran. Now, build your new query. Click Semi-Protected or Protected Areas under the Wave Exposure section. Go to Execute Query. Give it a name and color. Run that query. Most of the area is protected or semi-protected. Next, create a second query looking for sand or mix of pebble and sand under BC class or shore type. Check categories 27, 28, or 30. You can also add shore type categories 24, 25, and 26 as a lower potential. Again, choose a name and color and run that query. You can now see where results intersect to give you the best potential habitat for butter clams. If you have any questions about the ShoreZone Flex Site, you'll find NOAA contacts on the main ShoreZone webpage. Steve Lewis is the main contact for the ShoreZone Flex Site updates and maintenance. The ShoreZone.org website is also full of resources about ShoreZone. You can explore the Supporting Documentation tab for more information. Thanks for watching.